Welcome to episode 31 of e-commerce today. This is a series of bite-sized programs keeping you up to date on interesting and relevant news in UK e-commerce. My name's 𝗏𝘗𝘃𝗲𝗵𝘳 and I'm the founder of Developer Connection, the marketplace for professional connections between e-commerce stores and developers across the UK. In today's episode, we're talking about Aldi scrapping the last of its online operations, sportsshoes.com seeing a huge increase in conversion rate since replatforming, and Amazon being given the green light to start a drone-based delivery trial this year. Opposite to many other grocers, Aldi have ceased all online operations after recently ending its click and collect service. With other companies like Morrisons, Tesco and M&S looking to strengthen their online presence, Aldi instead joins Lidl in offering no online shopping options at all. It's thought that the retailer went down this route to stay with the discounter operator model, which is harder to maintain with the overhead of operating an e-commerce store. Sportsshoes.com have recently replatformed to 𝘏𝘰𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 and since then are seeing a 19% year-on-year increase in conversion rates. The company say they knew there was more revenue to unlock from the website and wanted to build a best-in-class digital experience on the new platform. The site adds new features like the running shoe finder, and they say they are now able to offer customers a quick and intuitive shopping experience. Finally, today, Amazon have been given the green light to trial drone delivery in the UK by the end of the year. It's expected that this will allow the e-commerce giant to deliver small parcels to customers within just an hour of the order being placed. The drones will be based at one of the multiple Amazon fulfillment centres and will be able to travel around 12 kilometres from their starting point. That's the end of today's episode. Thank you for watching and please do like or comment if you're enjoying this series. I'll see you soon for the next UK e-commerce news roundup.